It is a well-known fact that everything we consume affects our health. This is why it is very important for us to be extremely careful and consume quality ingredients and products as much as possible. Too acidic environment in our organism can cause severe diseases, especially different kinds of cancers. This is the reason why we need to consume alkaline foods in order to have balanced pH in our body. It has been proven that regular consumption of natural juices made from fresh fruits and vegetables is very beneficial for our health, especially if the juices contain ingredients from green leafy vegetable. If you like to improve your blood, improve your immunity, regulate your body weight, improve the work of the digestive tract and sharpen your focus, it is highly recommended to consume a glass of the following drink every morning on an empty stomach. Ingredients: 1 lemon, 1 handful of spinach, 3 kale leaves, 1/2 cup of water, 1 teaspoon of chia seeds, 1 teaspoon of honey, 1 beet, smaller. Preparation: if your lemon is not organic, you should remove the skin and throw it in the trash. Peel the beet and then put all the ingredients in a blender. Leave the mixture to rest for 15 minutes and then consume it. Thanks for watching and have a nice day. Please like, share and subscribe.